So I've got this hair system from Lordhair.com, and it's encouraging because as you can see, you can share your transformation. And this is a SuperSkin Remy hair system, and if you can look at the hairline, it's very, very nice. And the hair system itself is a stock hair system, and it comes by 10 by 8, so 10 this way and 8 this way. But you can adjust it by cutting the base for your requirements. And also, to attach the hair system, you can use either glue or tape. I have used tape for myself. Now, Lordhair do promote their products on YouTube, and they have very helpful videos on the YouTube channel. The shipping process usually takes 1 week to come. The hair system, as you can see, the color is number 2, which is dark brown, which blends in very nice with my natural hair color. So the Lordhair.com, they have other products on their website as well, and you can browse through them all. I would recommend Lordhair because they are professional on their website. They're gonna give you a passcode with your email address, and so you can log into your own account. You can always track your order and see when it has left the base and when it has arrived in your country that you're ordering from. The hair system itself can be washed under running water. I recommend using cold water to rinse it out. And of course, you can also style it in various ways, and also you can cut it by yourself, but you can also use Lordhair.com because they do have a service of cutting the hair. So you can see it from if you can see the camera, the video here on this side and on this side, and also turning all the way around. And so you can also see on the website these people here of the pictures before and after. So I would say this is one of the nicest systems because the hair is called Remy hair, and it's very much like my own natural hair, and it also feels very nice and very, very soft. And so it's really a great confidence booster for any person who have lost their hair, and it does really, really look undetectable. And also you can do a lot of things with it. I mean, I go to the gym very, very often, and with the thin skin system, which is 0.08 millimeter, it does feel like natural. And when you sweat and the tape that you've attached to the system, it becomes a little bit loose, but after a while, once the sweat has gone, it sits back into your scalp. So this is a really, really good hair system, and I'm glad that I can actually review it on behalf of Lordhair.com, because when you order from them, you get this leaflet to share your transformation. You can send them, which I also have done, pictures of before and after. So I would definitely gonna order again from Lordhair.com. So for customer service, I would give them maybe 8 out of 10. They do let you know about the reviews they want. They also have a WhatsApp page that you can download videos, because some of the videos, when they are bigger in size, they can't be attached to emails. So you can send them via a WhatsApp thread, and so that's very useful too. Yeah, I would really recommend watching the YouTube videos, because from Lordhair.com, if you Google Lordhair.com, you find loads information about them. Thank you very much. Thank you.